Welcome back from freshening up smelly shoes with tea bags to using hair to help bring plants back to life. They are the mind-blowing hacks that have been watched by millions.
When you're slicing tomatoes, use a fork and you get perfect slices every time. Strawberries, grab a straw and put it right through it. Boom, this way you don't waste anything. When you chop up enough green onions, don't throw out the roots, just pop them in soil and they'll regrow. Water rings, just put a damn cloth over them and then iron them out. Check this out. Boom, gone. Stovetop, sprinkle some baking soda, add some fresh lemon juice and watch it sizzle. Scrub and wipe it clean. Screens, just dip a tea bag in water, rub it on the screen and then wipe it off with a coffee filter.
What?
I'm going to need him to move into my house. Social media sensation Armen Adamjan is ready to make your life a whole lot easier and take the hatred out of household chores. Gee, that's strong. He joins us now all the way from Denmark. Armen, good morning. Hey, buddy. Hey, you have got an enormous following with these hacks. How can we make, let's go first of all into the dreaded kitchen cleanup. How can we make that easier?
So, I mean, kitchen cleaning isn't fun, and I never thought, it was going to be fun. But now I find it super fun because the only things you really need are lemon, vinegar, and baking soda, because these three things are so magical together. They'll clean anything. They'll get any gunk out from your pans, especially like if you're doing the pots and pans cleaning one. You can just add vinegar, boil it with some lemons, and it'll come right off. All the leftover particles.
Wow.
So many things, three things.
Well, what about this? Dentists have approved of your tooth whitening trick. Now, we're in television. We need to know what that is.
So, I mean, many dentists have approved that the hack that you guys are showing right now, and then including Dr. Catrice, Cardi B's dentist. And the way that it works is that the kiwi and baking soda together, the acids in kiwi and baking soda together help to remove the stains, and cucumber gets rid of any bad bacteria and altogether whiten your teeth.
Wow, interesting. Now, all of us have wilting Valentine's Day roses around the house at the moment, and you say we can bring them back to life. Oh, he's magic.
Yeah, so I mean, if you just want to keep them alive for longer, you can literally just add 1 shot of vodka, any type of vodka, and they'll last for 10 days versus 3 days. But if you want to regrow a rose, you got to make sure that it has at least 3 sets of leaves, make a 45-degree angle cut in the bottom, make a little slit in the middle of that, and then dip it in some honey and then into the soil. What the honey does, it's a natural rooting hormone, and it stimulates root growth. So you'll end up with a new rose.
Honey and vodka.
Honey and vodka. Sounds like a great way to spend Saturday night with your plants. Hey, this one's going to make a lot of people happy. You've got a way to stop pimples. Now, for a lot of teens out there, people who live with adult acne, what do we need?
So you need baking soda, honey, and last one is the magic, is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, it kills the bacteria that forms the pimple in the first place. Honey draws out any excess water in the pimple, and baking soda just kind of holds it all together so it doesn't drip down your face as it's, on the pimple itself. So these three things are all you need. You don't need to buy those spot-on treatments.
You're amazing.
You've got a solution for everything, Armen, and I look forward to you coming to my house and sorting it out because it needs a whole lot of love. Hey, thank you. You take care.
Thanks,
and
Armen.
To check out more hacks to make your life a little easier, head to Armen's TikTok page. It's called Creative Explain.